glamorous ng ating mga kasama dito. Grabe, they are private duty nurses. And I believe that tonight is gonna be a great night. Ang lagi ko nilook forward dito actually is yung sayawan at the end. Kasi nakakatuwa yung mga young at heart natin, mga private duty nurses who are enjoying tonight. So without further ado, let's bring back to you. Ayan, so malapit na tayo sa finish line. So, makain na tayo today. So, yun may exciting part dito sa pagiging host natin. Ayan. So I'm really happy that we get to host for today. So ayan ang ating mga audience natin. They're all look glamorous for tonight. So right now as your host, my goal is for you to chill and be updated with the latest happenings. So back to you, Ted. Ayan. On lining up. Again, please present your food stop upon lining up. And please wait again for your number, ayan, to be flashed on the screen.
Yes, I think it's being flashed already. So, enjoy your meal and see you again.